Hello, scientists, and welcome to the virtual microscope lab. In this lab, you are going to be introduced to the parts and the functions of the microscope. You're going to be introduced to how to focus a microscope and some general handling tips for using the microscope. So you will find this activity in your packet. And to begin, you are going to click this menu box down here. You are going to click the Learn button. The Learn button will help you complete the top part of the worksheet, which is kind of like a matching, I guess it is. So on here, you will see that these are all just question marks, but on your worksheet, you're going to see that these actually have letters. So you're going to match the letter to the part. So you'll just go ahead and click on the part, and it will give you the name, and then you can refer back to your worksheet and you can write down the letter that corresponds to that part. When you get done with that, then you are going to go back to the main part. And here you will click Guide, and the guide is going to give you some general information about the microscopes, about the different lenses that they use, so a little bit more about the technical part of the microscope and a little bit about how to care for the microscope. So you're going to want to go through and you're going to read these different pages, and these pages are going to help you answer the questions that are at the bottom of the front page of your worksheet. Then when you're done, you can click the Explore button. In the Explore button, you will see that it comes, there's a slide box here. You're going to open it up, and it will give you different options of slides. So let's go ahead and we're going to click the plant slide. I'll go ahead and click plant. All right, and you'll see that it's fuzzy, so we have to focus it. And you will notice that when we move these things, different things happen to the microscope. So as you move the coarse adjustment, which the coarse adjustment is this knob right here, you will notice that this part of the microscope, called the stage, moves up and down. Okay, so when you first put your slide onto the stage and you look through the eyepieces, it's not going to be very clear. So you're going to have to use that knob and you're going to roll it. And as you roll it up and down or back and forth, you will notice that the stage moves up and down. All right, so you're going to move it until you get it in focus. Then you'll use the smaller knob called the fine focus knob, and you can go ahead and move that back and forth until you get it looking as clear and as crisp as you can. Once you do that, you always start with the lowest power, which is 4 magnification, and then you can move up. And as you move up, you will notice that it might get a little fuzzy. You never want to touch the coarse adjustment knob after you as you move up in magnification. You should just have to touch this fine focus knob. So anyways, this will give you the opportunity to look at different specimens under different magnifications. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and remove that. Now, the next thing, after you kind of explore, there is an activity that you need to do that is on the back side of your worksheet, and that has to do with the letter E. And in order to get to the letter E, you have to click the sample slide and then click the letter E. And then from here, you can follow along on the worksheet and answer the questions. All right, so I hope that helps you understand how to do the virtual lab, and I hope you're looking forward to actually using the microscopes, the real ones, when we get them out later on in this lesson, actually. All right, that's it. Have fun.